temperature's like a little bit above 40. Um, fucking freezing cold, dry wind, Arctic wind, and fucking been out here for like 10 minutes and I'm already fucking freezing. Can't feel my fingers. Do a little temperature test right now with my skin. What the fuck? And it stops all of a sudden. It's fucking dry cold as fuck. Can't feel my fingers. Like 10 minutes only. Fucking, I think it's just getting colder. Um, November 2014. Fucking, sun's out. There's the sun. But there's a fucking cold ass wind. Freezing ass fucking Arctic cold fucking wind and shit. Fucking burning my fucking face. Fucking stops and it picks up. Fucking cold as fuck. Probably gonna go under freezing, temperature wise. It feels good. Good change of weather. Fucking cold though. Cold as fuck. Some fucking cold hearted weather. Fuck man, it stops right now. It's chilling. It's chill. Well, literally it's chill. It's chilled out. Literally it's just chilling. Literally it's just fucking chilling. It's cool. It's cool. Cool outside, literally. Chill as fuck. 40 degrees, about 40 degrees. Fucking freezing and shit. Almost freezing. Fucking, like I said, I can't feel my fingers. Been like 10 minutes. Been like fucking 10 minutes. Doing a little temperature test. Just testing the temperature. Oh shit. There's my neighbors. Those are my neighbors just walking by. Walking by right now. Probably going out for a walk or something. Fucking cold as fuck, man. Seriously. Need some fucking gloves on right now.